Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you another beginner step sequence to try. So, here are the steps. We're going to start with a left, right, closed chassé, wide step, inside 3-turn, crossover, mohawk, step wide, crossover, another step wide transfer, backward push, chassé, 2-foot hockey with a forward movement, upward body movement, and stop. Okay, to show you once again, left, right, I have closed chassé, wide step, inside 3-turn, crossover, mohawk, position, crossover the other way, step wide, push backwards, chassé, forwards, up. Now, it doesn't have to be done on edges as deep as that. I can show you it in a little more of a linear fashion. Would look a little bit like this: left, right, close chassé, inside 3-turn, crossover, mohawk, step, crossover, step wide, push back, chassé, body movement, and stop. You see, you can do it more linear, but the more comfortable you get with the steps, the more you want to add some edges to it, add bigger arm positions, add a little bit of body movement, okay? So, now for some technical information about it. As we're starting off, think about the basics: bend, push, feet together, bend, push. Here, push, rise up a little bit to get the cross in tight, bend, extend, go wide, and now here, this is a tricky bit. I have to step and transfer over before my 3-turn. It would be a mistake to do a close chassé, wide step, leave the body weight here, step and fall. Okay, so we have the close chassé, wide step, a big transfer, 3-turn, step to forwards, crossover, feet together for the mohawk, don't fall onto it like this, feet together, mohawk, close open, here, step wide and transfer. Don't leave the weight here, step like that. We step wide and transfer. From here, we prepare the body for a backward crossover this way, and look, again, I step wide and bring my foot in, so I get a transfer, bend, push. Step to forward chassé, hips underneath me, rebend, push, and once you hit this stable position, you can then add whatever body movement you want to it. I recommend for the moment just going forwards, up, and open. It's a good way to get used to moving the spine off the central axis like this and get comfortable with adding a little bit of movement into your step sequence. Okay, so one final time I'm going to show you this step sequence with a little more edge to show you how the same steps can progress to look even more impressive, okay? So we start off, I'm going to try not to go too fast because I'll run poor Max into the barrier. Left, right, outside, inside, stay on the inside edge, push, 3-turn, crossover, I can come back this way, mohawk, bring the edge around, step, crossover, step wide here, push, chassé, forwards, up, open, in, finish. You see, this was the same step, but I've done it on a very deep pattern instead. So eventually you want to work your way up from doing the shallow version, a little bit deeper, to progressing to doing full widths of the ice like this with a lot of bend and push and power.